And it seems to be a huge governance challenge.
Yeah.
Who makes these decisions?
It's very tricky things. You don't want some big for-profit company deciding what's true. It doesn't make sense.
But they're controlling how we turn the neurons.
Well, Google is very careful not to do that at present. What Google will do is refer you to relevant documents, which will have all sorts of opinions in them.
Well, they haven't released their chat product, at least as we speak.
Right.
But we've seen, at least the people that have released chat products feel like there are certain things they don't want to be said by their voice. And so they go in there and meddle with it so it won't say offensive things.
Yeah, but there's a limit to what you can do that way. There's always going to be things you didn't think of, right?
Yeah.
So I think Google is going to be far more careful than Microsoft when it does release the chatbot.
Yeah.
And it'll probably come with lots of warnings. This is just a chatbot, and don't necessarily believe what it says.
Careful in the labeling or careful in the way they meddle with it so it doesn't do lousy things?
All of those things. Careful in how they present it as a product and careful in how they train it.
Yeah.
And do a lot of work to prevent it from saying bad things